Okay, so this time, let us proceed by adding and subtracting binomials. Okay, first step, we're going to remove the parentheses and add or subtract the similar terms. Yun yung first step natin. Tatanggalin daw natin, anak, yung dalawang parentheses. Take note, if negative sign or minus sign is placed before the parentheses, change the sign of the terms. So, sa Tagalog, kapag daw meron tayo nakitang minus sign or negative sign bago ang parentheses, so meaning yung mga terms sa loob ng parentheses na yon ay mababago ang sign. Nagets po? Okay, next, number 2. The similar terms cannot be added or subtracted. Now, let us try an example. Okay, first, we need to find the sum of 2x plus 8 and 3x minus 5. Okay, step number 1, remove the parentheses down. So, our first binomial is 2x plus 8. Tinanggal ko na yung parentheses. Okay, tapos dito po, ano yung operation? Plus. So, dahil plus sign yan, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin agad tanggalin yung parentheses. Wala tayong i-change na sign. Bakit? Nag-change lang po tayo ng sign kapag minus or negative yung sign dito. Naintindihan? Okay, this will become plus. Copy lang po lahat yan. 3x minus 5. That is step 1. Then step 2, kung ano yung procedure na ginagawa natin sa addition and subtraction of monomials, ganun din yung gagawin dito. Pagsasama-samahin natin yung similar terms. Okay, how many terms do we have? 4. Okay, first identify the similar terms. What are the similar terms? 2x and, itatabi natin si 3x papunta kay 2x. This will become 2x plus 3x. Then ano susunod kay 3x? Plus 8 minus 5. Then after that, simplify. Okay, combine the similar terms. 2 plus 3. 5. Then copy the literal coefficient. Next, 8 minus 5. 3. And what is the sign of the bigger number? Okay, positive. Therefore, this is the answer. 5x plus 3. Do you understand? Okay, this is what we call the horizontal method. Pag sinabi nating horizontal, ano yung line na yon? Pahiga. Sa horizontal method to, meron din tayong method for vertical. Okay, ano yung gagawin natin? Ito, mas madali po ito. Ina-apply natin, anak, si vertical method kapag ang given polynomials ay more than 1 na. Meaning, pwede na siya kay binomial, kay trinomial, or kay multinomial. These are the steps. Step 1. Write the binomial one below the other, aligning like terms. Step number 2. Combine the like terms by adding their coefficient, or what we call the numerical coefficient. Then step 3, write the result below the line. Okay, this is for the vertical method. Step 1, write the given. Okay, so binomial. So dapat naka-vertical. So this will become, ano yung first? 2x plus 8. Okay, i-add natin kay 3x minus 5. O saan po natin itatapat si negative 5? Sa baba ni 8. And then si 3x sa baba ni, bakit po magkakatapat kasi mga similar terms yan? Kailangan naka-align. Then after that, proceed na tayo, addition of integers. 8 plus negative 5. Same sign, unlike. Add or subtract? Subtract. 8 minus 5. And what is the sign of the bigger number? Positive. Ganun din po dito. 2 plus 3. 5. Then copy the literal coefficient, x. Okay, therefore, same answer lang sila. So, anong mas madali po? Vertical or horizontal? Vertical. At kadalasan, vertical talaga ang ginagamit kapag ang polynomials na ina-add or sinusubtract ay more than 1 term na. Meaning, kapag binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. Pero kapag monomial, horizontal method lang tayo.